Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Swiggy is giving free gift plus free cash on Swiggy Food Instamart, and you have deals unlocked at 49 rupees during match hours plus 66 offer on your order. As you see in the picture, Swiggy has come up with a new app that is called Snacc, wherein you got this offer. It goes in this way: 50 off on your first 3 orders plus free delivery, but the minimum order should be 100 rupees. So do check out this crazy fiesta by Swiggy, right? Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have ordered some items on Swiggy Instamart, and you have A to Z products on Swiggy Instamart, including electronics and fashion. As you see here, we have got this Kit Kat. You all know it's a chocolate. Yummy, crunchy with wafers going into it. But then here is the offer of this chocolate, wherein you can win prizes. So we have ordered this chocolate on Swiggy Instamart. Unfortunately, when we have unpacked that, you can see here there's no such offer to win prizes. So it's a bit disappointment. And you can check out offers at 40% discount, and during match hours you can expect deals starting from 29 rupees, and the deals may last for 1 hour or 2 hours. You can check out. And coming to free gift, you have a free gift given by Swiggy Instamart when you place an order of rupees 349 and above. But then you have to apply a coupon, which I'll show you at the checkout. Okay, added to free gift, Swiggy is giving free cash as well, which you can use on Instamart while placing the order. And here you can see cornflakes, you can get it at 40% off. This is zero sugar, so you can have an healthy breakfast. So here comes a free gift from Swiggy Instamart, Lay's plus Pepsi, which you can binge on watching TV, right? Okay, here we'll check out the free gift from Swiggy Instamart plus free cash. As you see in the picture, on Food and Instamart you have free cash available. You can check out. And not only that, Snacc offer also is available. You can click on Snacc, and it's a mini food delivery app, which I have told in the beginning itself. It's recently launched by Swiggy. You can check out the offer. The minimum order value should be 100 rupees to avail 50 off on your first 3 orders, and free delivery also is available. Now you can come back and click on Instamart, and you can see here the offers. At 80% off, the free cash also is available, but the minimum order value should be 350 rupees or 349. As you see in the picture, you can add the products to the cart, whichever you want. Please do check the deals of 29 rupees during match hours. So after adding all the products to the cart, go to cart. Once you go to cart, and here you can see free cash is automatically applied, and you can scroll down and check out. You can come up and click on apply coupon, and apply coupon cred T20 to avail free gift or to get a free gift. Once you apply the coupon, you will have free gift added to the cart or your order. You can check across. And not only that, you will have 60 cred cashback that will be credited immediately after placing the order. So after you confirm free gift, you can check out and place your order. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.